Welcome back to Diecast Domination. This is Dev coming to you. Thank you so much for tuning in my channel, and I'm glad that you guys are here with me, because in today's session I'm going to be showcasing you not one but two diorama layouts that I have created during my day. And these ones are just amazing because what I did was the first diorama that I had, there were no roads, no streets, but just a parking lot with a bunch of buildings. Now we have a street with a turning curve going right in the corner and making it an impactful scene when you take some cinematic video shots. And also what I've done is I've added some street lights, very tiny figurines that are 1/64 scale from Miju exclusives and American Diorama. And also we have stunning models, guys, 1/64 scale, beautiful models from companies such as Eno64, Mini GT, Tarmac Works, Pop Race. I can keep going, the names are not gonna end. So without further ado, let's get into some of these details. Let me show you guys how I create this amazing structure. And if you enjoy the video with whole heart, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future content. Let's get rolling!